Hi everyone, I want to demonstrate now how to implement basic service level functions using platform generic CRUD and search. Usually CRUD means basic data reading and persistence methods, and the search of course. Starting from the platform version 3.62, it became simpler because you don't need anymore to implement some depth like caching regions, event firing, key mappings and so on. Let's check how it works in detail. Start with customer review sample module and implement generic-based CRUD and search services. Please ensure the platform dependency is set at least to 3.62, manifest and project files. I have prepared everything at the data access level, like customer review repository, customer review entity classes, migrations, and I have customer review class to represent the model at the service level. Also, I have prepared everything from API level, like controller with methods, search criteria, and search result, and so on. Ensure customer review entity implements eData entity interface and methods to model, from model, and patch to allow conversion between service level model and entity. Also check that customer review class implements iconable interface. Well, next I'll enrich our sample just by adding files and describe them instead of writing the code to save you time a bit. Okay, I'm adding abstractions iCustomer Review Search Service and iCustomer Review Service. This empty now, as you see, but it's useful to extend in the future to implement some custom logic because in most cases service is not limited to CRUD only. Create customer review change event and customer review changed event classes to fit changed events convention. Let's add them to the core project events folder. Just a minute. It's here. Yes, look at this. Add customer review service. Look, it's inherited from basic generic CRUD service with model, entity, and event types as generic template parameters. Also, it implements a customer review service interface to simplify adding custom logic in the future. Single mandatory method load entities should be implemented. It is just a call to the data layer method for customer reviews return. Wow, this is all you need to implement for reading and persistence. Of course, you can override CRUD service methods to fit your custom goals. Next, add customer review search service. It's inherited from generic search service with search criteria, search result, model, and entity types as parameters. Also, iCustomer Review Search Service interface implemented for possible future extensions. Mandatory method build query must be implemented to translate search criteria to query filter. And build sort expression is optionally overridden to translate search criteria to order. Of course, you can have a full custom implementation of the search service by overriding search async method. As you can see, the search service is simple to implement as well as the CRUD service. And what's left? We should just add calls to the services from the controller and register the service in DI and the model startup. Let's do it. Look at the customer reviews controller, resolve the service through custom interfaces, and put the calls. I'm just commenting the code to simplify my work. Just a moment. Alright. Next, look at the model class and register our services in DI. I hope it can be compiled. Let's check it. Just a moment. Alright, compiled successfully. And finally, start the platform and check how all the things are working together. Just a moment. We are waiting while platform starting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Magic is done. Okay. Authorize. Then select our model and try to insert some customer review. I've got the code to copy paste. Try it out. Run. And it's okay. It's successfully finished. Then try to search some customer reviews. Run with empty search criteria. Well done. This is it. Congratulations. It's working successfully. And it's all for now. You can find full customer review sample in our samples repository. Thank you guys for your attention. Welcome back later to watch more videos from Virto Commerce Command.